Alright, in this video I'm going to a service call that the customer says the unit is making a thumping noise.
Turn right, Wrightsville Avenue.
And they say it only does it in the heat mode. They say while it's running, sometimes it'll make a thumping noise, and then when the heat cycle stops and the system shuts down, it makes another pounding noise. So we can go see if we can diagnose what's causing the unit to be a thumper, and see if we can get some footage for you. Which, if you see this, well, that means you got it. And I know that's going to be edited out. Well, I'm here at the air handler that's supposed to be making a thumping noise, and so far we have not got it to reproduce that noise. We have turned it on heat, let it run to it satisfied itself. Nothing. We turn it on, then turn it back off after the heat comes on and see if maybe the Freon charge or whatever. So far, nothing. All right, we got the good old Rheem sitting here. And we're going to put some gauges on it and see what the pressure looks like. Alright, I dropped out some of the charge to see what kind of response I get, and this is what it's running now after I dropped out a pound of refrigerant. Alright, that one is done for now. I removed some of the charge to bring the pressure down, and it seems to be running quite well now. So we'll follow up on that one right before summer of next year, which will be here before you know it. So now it's time to go home and go to a business network meeting and see if I can stir up some more business. So until the next one, thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up down there below the video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified
After 1/4 mile, turn left.
when I put up new videos here on my channel. Until next time, later.